Hey, welcome to the studio at Pontiac. Come on in.
So right now we are in the studio at Pontiac Branch Library, one of the 5 studios in ACPL system. And the studios are our makerspaces, but new, improved, and enhanced with even more stuff than just your typical makerspace. So a long time ago, many libraries started saying, oh, we could invest in a sewing machine or a 3D printer, and that would be super cool. And then everybody could experience that, not just the high-end people at university and that kind of thing. We have grown a program over the last more than a decade now of making maker and creative type equipment available to our community. And as we've seen how that's grown, we've learned a lot about what the needs are.
You can't have art without STEM. It's all about science, technology, engineering, and math. Every single one of those elements brings up all of the arts in general. I'm really passionate about arts education and sharing all this information with everyone as I can, with the hopes that they too find joy in whatever it is that they are passionate about. So one of our most popular programs, which almost always has a wait list, is 3D printing. Patrons can sign up online. Our programs are all free. All the resources that we offer to you for your projects are also free. So they can come in, they can register online. When they actually physically come into the space, they learn how to operate the machine. They learn the parts of the machine. They learn what PLA filament actually is. They can then explore Tinkercad and learn how to create their first 3D model. And then we teach them how to convert that into a 3D sliced file that the machine can then read, and then they can make their object in real time.
So our mission is to enrich our community through lifelong learning and discovery. And everything about this is lifelong learning. You can come in here knowing absolutely nothing, and we have incredible team members, not just equipment, but people, as well as information resources and videos and things. You can walk out having learned what does it take to design your own or tweak something that you found online. Is Cricut easy or is it hard? But people can come in here and discover without a lot of pressure.
In our podcasting booth, this is really exciting, it is 100% wheelchair accessible. So you can actually go in and up into the space. There is no step up, it is just a straight ramp, and you can go in and enjoy the space without having to think about how do I get inside.
The Donwood Foundation came alongside us about 1.5 years ago and said, let us help you. They offered to pay for new equipment at our main library and also at one of our branch libraries, so that now we have the same equipment at all of our spaces, and then also upgrading and making even more available at our main library. But another important piece, they have supported us in doing research about what else is available in our community, so that we know when somebody comes in, who should we refer them to? Maybe they've done what they can do with us, but they need that next recommendation for a business incubator or financial support or education because they want to learn more about it. If it weren't for the Donwood Foundation, we would still be offering great resources. We would still be inspiring our community, but we wouldn't be providing such an enriching and creative environment that is tailor-made for not just what's good enough, but the best to help people really be ready for their lives today. And without them, we wouldn't have the capacity to know the best way to grow. We might make missteps or misspend public funds without the knowledge and the strategy that they are helping us discover. Thank you to the Donwood Foundation for everything you've done for ACPL.